the gift of Allah to Muhammad and all the Muslims. When Muhammad met Allah, Allah gave to him 50 prayers to pray during the day and night. Imagine that every 27 minutes you need to get up, make wudu and pray. The Prophet was so overwhelmed with happiness and joy that Allah had gifted him 50 prayers during the day and night. The Prophet took it and came back. When he went past Musa, Musa asked him, "What did Allah give you?" He said, 50 prayers during the day and night. So Musa told him, "Muhammad, your nation can't bear to pray 50 prayers during the day. Go back to Allah and ask him to reduce the number of prays." So the Prophet went back to Allah. He told Allah, "My nation can't handle this." So Allah reduced them from 50 to 45. Then the Prophet Muhammad took the 45, went back. He went past Musa once again, and Musa told him to go back to Allah, ask him to reduce the number of prays because your nation can't handle it. Each time the Prophet Muhammad will go back to Allah, Allah reduces the number of prayers by 5. And each time the Prophet Muhammad will get past Musa, Musa will ask the Prophet Muhammad, "What did your Lord do?" And Muhammad says, "Allah made them 40, Allah made them 35, Allah made him 30, Allah made them 25, Allah made him 20, Allah made him 15, Allah made him 10. When the Prophet Muhammad Allah came back with 5 prayers after 50, Musa asked him, "How many prayers Allah ordained upon your nation?" So the Prophet said, 5. Now I am too embarrassed to ask Allah for another reduction. Then Allah will call upon the Prophet Muhammad and will say to Muhammad, "O Muhammad, it is 5 prayers during the day and night I had ordained upon your nation. You must pray them, but I'll give them the reward of 50 prayers. Allah is generous. Stick to your salat. It is your key to Jannah."